Amethyst. The name amethyst comes from the Greek word amethystos, meaning not intoxicated, which birthed the belief that the gem protects the wearer from drunkenness. Its color ranges from purple to reddish purple, with light to rich and vivid saturation. Amethyst can be light lilac purple, reddish purple, or violetish purple. Amethyst purple gem. Amethyst owns its color to iron impurities, irradiation, and other transition metals. The intensity of the color from light to dark may differ from one angular zone to another due to varying amounts of iron incorporated into different stages of the crystallization process. This uneven distribution of color in a gem refers to color zoning. Russia was the primary source of this purple gem superstar until the 19th century when large deposits were discovered in Brazil. Such a discovery made Brazil the current major supplier as the country produces the most amethyst in the world. However, you can also find the purple quartz in other parts of South America, Asia, and Africa. Purple quartz, meaning and metaphysical properties. The birthstone for February, amethyst carries a lot of folkloric associations, symbolism, and metaphysical properties claims. Perhaps the most famous in the myths surrounding the Roman god of wine, Bacchus. According to Greek mythology, Amethyst, a beautiful virgin maiden, was on her way to the temple of Diana when she crossed paths with Bacchus. Bacchus was pursuing Amethyst, but she refused his love, which angered the god of wine. Amethyst cried to the virgin goddess Diana and asked to help her remain chaste, to which the goddess answered by transforming her into white shimmering quartz. Humbled by her desire to remain chaste, Bacchus poured red wine over Amethyst, already a white stone, to show his respect, which then transformed the white quartz into a purple crystal we now know